Welcome back to Tinkerly's YouTube channel. Today we will learn about script. Scratch allows you to build your own games, tales, and animations using visual programming. A script is a collection of instructions used to develop in Scratch. It is a stack of blocks that are connected to one another. As they specify how to interact with sprites, the blocks of commands are well structured to execute a given goal. It's an excellent approach to add script comments that explain what's going on. In Scratch, a sprite is the hero of the story or a visual element that performs all of the tasks specified in the script. The script section is present on the right side of the programming palette, where the scripts are constructed. Blocks are moved from the programming palette or block palette to the script area to be stored and executed in a project. You may also combine them to make a script. Undo, redo, clean up blocks, add comments, and delete blocks are all available when you right-click on the script area. A script fragment is known as an unfinished script in Scratch, which signifies a script without a hat block. Script fragments will not run in regular execution since no hat block is available to start the code. They are commonly employed to make the thumbnails since they can display sprites that aren't visible during normal program execution. They are usually kept in the backpack and may be quickly placed on a hat to execute the code. If you enjoyed learning with us, like, share and subscribe to our channel to shower your love. Until next time, keep learning how to code.